Through this video, I will explain how to design the slow sand filter for the given data. The problem is like this. Design 6 slow sand filter beds from the following data. Population to be served is equal to 50,000 persons. Per capita demand is equal to 150 liters per head per day. Rate of filtration is given, that is 180 liters per hour per square meter. Length of each bed is given, that is twice the breadth, that is L is equal to 2 times of B. Assume maximum demand as 1.8 times the average daily demand, and also assume that 1 unit out of 6 will be kept as standby. It means that we have to design only 5 units. Solution. So first you have to find out average daily demand. It is very simple to calculate. Average daily demand is equal to population into per capita demand. The population is 50,000 into per capita demand rate 150 liters per day. Average daily demand is equal to 7.5 into 10 to the power of 6 liters per day. Maximum daily demand is equal to 1.8 is the factor into average daily demand, that is 7.5 into 10 to the power of 6 is equal to 13.5 into 10 to the power of 6 liters per day. Rate of filtration per day is equal to 180 into 24 liters per square meter per day. Total surface area of filters required is equal to maximum daily demand divided by rate of filtration per day. The maximum daily demand is 13.5 into 10 to the power of 6 divided by the rate of filtration per day 180 into 24. The total surface area is equal to 3.125 into 10 to the power of 3 square meter or 3125 square meter. Now 6 units are to be used. Out of them, 1 is to be kept as standby, and hence only 5 units provided the necessary area filter required. Therefore, the area of each filter unit 1 divided by 5. So 5 is the number of units we have to design into total area required already calculated in the previous step is equal to 1.5 into 3125 is equal to 625 square meter. So 625 is the area of each filter. Now, if L is the length and B is the breadth of each unit, then L is equal to 2B. It is given in the question. Substitute the value of L as a 2B. So 2B into B is equal to area, that is 625 square meter. So 2B into B is equal to B square is equal to 312.5 square meter. Therefore, B is equal to 17.7 meters, say 18 meter. Substitute the value of B in the L equation. So L is equal to 2B. Then L is equal to 2 into the value of B is 17.7. The L is equal to 3.36 meter. Hence, use 6 filters units with 1 unit as standby. Each unit of size 36 meter is the length and 18 meter is the width. Arranged in series 3 units on either side. So this is the solution.